This is how you can create an inbox chief of staff that sends you a report every 8 a.m. with your Gmail. Now, this is for those who have a paid account for Google Workspace, mostly for businesses. But if you have that, let's go right into the video. Now, this will help you organize your inbox and give you like a report on the urgent actions that are required for you to complete, then the opportunities that you may have in there, then the emails that need follow up, and even go as far as giving you a draft that you can edit and send to the respective clients. Now, to create the workflow, what we do is go to Studio, and here you'll find the list of agents that you created before. But if this is your first time, just go down here to do more in Studio. Once you click on that, it's going to open this other website to Gemini, and click on the free prompt that I am going to give you. Just have to click on the link in the comments. And once after this, just click on create, and the system is going to think, look through the prompt, and create a an automation that runs every 8 a.m. You'll see once it's done. So Gemini has created our automation from us. So this is called a trigger, and it's to run on a schedule. Let's say you want it to run at 8 a.m. every single day. That's it. Then the prompt is going to be in here, and then the action is to send you an email, and you get in your email in your inbox every single day at 8 a.m. Now let's test it by clicking on test run. Then when you click on start, it's going to send you this email right here. So this is an email that was sent to me, and you can replicate this. And after that, if you like the way it looks like, then what you have to do is click on turn on. And once you click on turn on, then every single day you receive an email like this in your inbox. And all you have to do is review it. Thank you for watching.